How to fix Spotify error code %0%. 1. Check Spotify server status. 2. Check your account status. Ensure your ID is live. Never using third-party apps, e.g., some audio converter or mods, to modify your Spotify account's data, to access premium features. 4. Request an account restoration at https://support.spotify.com/contact-spotify-anonymous. 5. Check then troubleshoot your internet connection. 6. Run Spotify in Windows Clean Boot. Check if your installed app, antivirus or other software, did not block Spotify. 7. Delete Spotify from Windows hosts at c:/Windows/system32/drivers/ etc.